Welcome to Joefield Design, and this year we are going to be attempting to do our 30 days of Christmas. So to start off, we are going to give you a quick tour of the whole majority of the showroom and workroom, and we're starting here, so let's go. Alright, so first of all we have our custom made tabletop. Actually we bought this from a fellow designer who is no longer in the industry, and this is a model of the cake. It's not an actual cake, or custom made table design, example of a backdrop, pillars, mirrors, flower arrangements, and our picture frame, which by the way was an old picture frame in grey or brown, and we sprayed it to silver, and then just adding these butterflies. That was actually from our first business launch. Alright, so walking through, this is our entrance. This is our storage room, and if you check our video on storage, you will see inside of our storage room. I'm not opening it today because we just brought in our Christmas trees and other items, Christmas decorations that is not normally stored in this location. It's stored in another location. But for our videos today, we brought in most of the stuff, so it's not really organized, it's just placed in the room. So, but you can check our last video on our storage and you'll see how our storage room is. So, this is where the workroom is, where the magic happens. Alright, so, welcome to our workroom. This is our custom made table. It has measurements on it and lines for inches, so it comes in very handy because we make our own linens at Joefield Design. We have our serger, our straight stitch, and we do some custom made stuff, so we have a heat press also. Right? Right, so these storage units in the workroom, these just have the things that we use in the workroom consistently a lot of times, so we don't have it in the storage room. So that's our tour. Let me take you back front where we're going to start taking on everything to prepare for our Christmas decor, and this year we're going to do a winter wonderland. Whenever we install lights, whether it's fairy lights, so we're going to light our Christmas tree, we always install the lights on. The worst thing you want to do is to think it's working, wrap your whole tree, and when you're done you realize pieces of it are not working. Alright, so what we're going to do, I'm going to put Icicle Lights running on the panels here, probably just tie them with some nylon wire or tie straps on each panel. And to plug in, I'm going to use this extension that screws into your socket, and I can actually put a plug here, so when I switch on my light and my light bulb comes on, all my Icicle Lights will come on at the same time. Okay guys, and that was our first episode of our 30 days till Christmas. We just cleared out the showroom and installed these Icicle Lights. See you tomorrow for day 29. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us on Instagram. Check us on Facebook at JoJo Divine Design. Put on the notifications so you'll see our next video. Join us tomorrow, guys, when we go into open out our Christmas tree. Okay, bye.